So this quadratic function, we are required to find the y-intercept. Now, one thing we need to understand is that the y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So basically, this f of x is the same thing as y, which is equal to what? X squared plus 2x minus 2. So when x is equal to 0, then f of x, which is the same thing as y, will be what? 0 squared plus 2 into brackets 0 minus 2. So this 0, this is 0. So y is equal to what? Minus 2. So the y-intercept of this particular graph is what? Minus 2. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.